Hello Alicia and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya. I saw your posting at work and thought of shooting one of these for you. In this video I share information that you can use to boost the traffic to your website. Just let me know your thoughts and what you think and I would really appreciate your feedback. So let's start. I'm going to cover three things. I'm going to cover content, Google My Business Profile, and something that I call backlinks. So let's start with your website. So right now I am looking at the front page of your website and I can see that you have links to the different back pages, some information about yourself and the areas that you serve. So there are a few things that you can actually do. You have very nice pictures, by the way. So there are a few things that you can do. So for example, you could add the click to call button over here. You can have the contact us form. So making it very user friendly for anyone, for example, using a mobile phone to reach out to you. And something that you can do as well is to throw in more content and more relevant content. So right now your website has 129 words. If I have a look at your direct competitors, so one of them is Passion for Pause, these guys have 192 words. And the amount of content is relevant because Google wants to see content. And the sweet spot for Google is between 1,500 and 2,000 words to be optimized for Google. And you can use that content to push through more relevant keywords, which is basically what people search for in Google when they want to consume your type of services. So I actually came into Google and I typed in dog training Jackson, Michigan, which is one of the service areas, one of your service areas. And the first section that you usually see is the Google Ads, and Google Ads are great at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive if they're not done correctly. The second section is the GMB or Google My Business Profile. In this section, to rank at the top, you need three things. You need pictures, you need reviews, and you need citations. And a citation is anywhere your business is listed on a directory, such as Yellow Pages, Yelp, Facebook, all of those. And the details on those directories need to match those of your Google Business Profile. And you can see here that Passion for Posts is ranking at the top of the GMB and the Google Organic Search, which is my third section. The Google Organic Search, first, your website needs to be found. And second, you need something that we call backlinks. And to analyze that, I use a tool called Ahrefs that helps me analyze the backend of a website. Right now, I am looking at yours. And in here, I can see that you have no backlinks and that your website is not being found for any keywords. So basically, you are invisible to Google. And that's why your website is not making you any good or helping you attract more customers. If I have a look at Passion for Posts, these guys have 103 backlinks in 13 external websites. So that is 103 links in 13 external websites directing traffic towards their website. And they are being found for 47 organic keywords. Let's have a look at some of those organic keywords. So I came in here, and this is just for Jackson, Michigan. Just bear that in mind, but this can be done for any of the service areas, any of your service areas, and the different services that you provide. So I highlighted in here some of those buyer intent keywords. So for example, they are ranking in the first position for dog training Jackson, Michigan, has a search volume of 70. That means there are 70 searches per month searching for dog training Jackson, Michigan, or 70 people searching for this. Dog training Jackson, Michigan, they are in the first position, meaning that there are 50, and there are 50 people searching for this term per month. And because of that, they were able to drive close to 46 visits to their website in just 1 month, just because they're in the first position. But if you actually look at this one is a very broad keyword, service dog training Michigan, but the search volume is higher, but they are ranking in the 32nd position. So basically what you want to do is that you want to identify what those keywords are so that you can throw them in the content of your website so that Google can find you for those and target those that have a higher search volume so that your website can be in front of more people more often, because then a percentage of those people are going to click on the link that is going to take them to your website. Another percentage is going to reach out to you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to land and convert into customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I hope you really like this video. Please let me know your thoughts. My name and my contact details. Well, my name is Viviana Olaya, and my contact details are at the bottom of the email. My mobile number is 754-271-3103. Thank you. Bye-bye.